All right, if you're choosing the plumbing pipe for your house, today we're going to show you an option. This is going to be PEX-A. This is what we did in this house. I want to show you why we chose it, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to actually put these fittings together and how easy it is and some of the other benefits that it has. So let's get going. All right, so in this custom home, we decided to use PEX-A with expansion fittings, and we're going to show you why in just a second. I'm going to show you an example of putting these fittings together with this expansion tool that I have here and how easy it actually is. This is Uponor's brand here, and the reason I have this in front of me is we use this for Uponor's AquaSafe fire sprinkler system. It has a UL rating of 1821, which allows you to use that in their system. The whole actual water piping in this house is for the fresh water. We used Legend's HyperPure PERT pipe, which also works with expansion fittings, and that worked out really well. It actually has a little bit different chemical makeup that works better if you're on city water, and it doesn't react with chlorine quite as much. I don't know a ton of the details on that. However, we decided to use that for the specific reason on this house with that, just trying to stay away from anything leaching into the water. So do a little research on that yourself and see if that's a better option for you. So that was the difference between Uponor's PEX-A and Legend's HyperPure PERT pipe. So this is the PERT. It's a little bit whiter, if you can see the difference there. This is more translucent, the PEX-A by Uponor, but you can see it in a couple different sizes here. So look at that and decide what you want to use for your house. All right, so now I want to show you how it actually goes together and why we decided to use this PEX-A with the expansion fittings. So this is a ProPEX ring, and you get them in a box. This is like a bag of 50, and it has a stop in it. So you can see these little notches on here. There's stops here, and it's as simple as just taking this pipe, you make a cut where we need to go, slide that guy on there just like that. Then you want to have your fitting ready to go. So this is a plastic fitting here. And this is all 1 inch. So I'm going to make sure I have the right expansion tool on the end of this. This is a Milwaukee M12. You can see that there. And what I'll do is I just take that and I put that right on the end of this thing and start expanding this. And then I'm going to push that fitting in there before it shrinks back down. And then I'll show you once we're done why we like using the expansion, other than it's just super easy to do this, and it can get us nice tight spots. Take that, push that all the way in there until it hits the stop, and that thing's going to shrink right back down onto this coupler. We got a nice, good connection here. This is just holding this nice and snug on here, and it's not coming apart. So super fast and easy to do. I guess compare that to soldering a joint on a copper pipe. It's going to take you forever compared to what that just took to do that. Now the other cool thing is if you look down in here, the diameter of this 1 inch pipe is exactly the same throughout this fitting. So this does not become a choke point, and you don't get a reduced flow of your water at this point. So as you can see from a side view that this is actually wider. See how this necks up now and it gets larger? It kind of flares out. So if you use PEX-B and you're crimping, you're going to get a choke point right here inside the fitting, and you're going to get a lot more resistance and less water flow. So we like the ease of use of putting this together, and we also like the fact that we get a consistent diameter of the pipe all the way throughout our entire system. So it's very desirable and works really well. So if you're considering plumbing for your custom home, look at PEX. It's cheaper than copper, and PEX-A creates this nice, even diameter, even flow, and it's very inexpensive to put in because there's a lot less labor than if you're using copper. All right, hope that was helpful. If you'd like more information about building a custom home, custom ADU, or doing a whole house remodel, visit our website at freemansconstruction.com. If you need help with buying or selling your home or land, visit our real estate company's website at freemansrealty.com. Thanks again for watching.